Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 14.2 question number 4. Given AB of length 3.9 cm, construct PQ such that the length of PQ is twice that of AB. Verify by measurement. Right? Let us take. We can do this problem in two methods. First of all, we can do it by calculation. What is that? Let us do it by calculation first. Right? That is, suppose how we can solve this problem. Here it is given that PQ, constant PQ such that the length of PQ is twice that of AB. That PQ, length of PQ line segment is equal to twice of length of AB. Length of AB line segment. Right? That is, we can write 2 into AB is, the length of AB is 3.9 centimeter, 3.9 centimeter. If we multiply this one, that's 3.9 into 2, we are getting 2 is 18, carry 1, here 8, 3 is 6 plus 1, 7, that is 7.8 centimeter. Right? That means 7.8 centimeter. 7.8 centimeter. Right? That means we have to draw two line segment. One is AB, that is 3.9 centimeter, and you have to draw another line, that is PQ, that is 7.8 centimeter. Right? Now let us draw it. This is the first method. We will use the second method also. This is first method. Method 1 or first method. There are two methods to draw this line segment. First method. Right? First method is, let us draw AB, that is 3.9 centimeter. Let us take a ruler. Right? And first you draw AB, and that is equal to 3.9 centimeter. Right? Take a line. Now here take this point to 0, 0. With the help of pencil, you have to take point 1 at 0. Another is 3.9. Here it is 3.8, 3.9. Right? This is exactly 3.9. Right? Now you can change the color of this line. You can change the color into yellow. Now this is AB. Right? Now this is, we have drawn a line segment AB, and that is equal to, this is AB, 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 and this is exactly 3.9 centimeter. 3.9 centimeter. Now what you have to do? Again you have to draw a line PQ such that it is 7.8 centimeter. That is, it is twice the length of AB. Right? Now we can draw another line, that is PQ. Right? Let us take another line, and that will be equal to PQ. Right? Let us take another point. Here we are taking it to 0 point. This is 0. Another point of 7.8 centimeter. Where is 7.8? Here you see. If we take this line to 7.8, this is 7. 7.8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? This is 7.8, and this becomes 0, comes to 0. That means with the help of pencil, first take one point at this, that is 0, and another point as 7.8, right? This is PQ. Now change the color of this line. We are changing the color to yellow, right? Now this is PQ. Now the value of this line will be PQ. It is PQ, PQ, and the value of this line segment is 7.8 centimeter. 7.8 centimeter, right? That means if you draw here, then PQ is twice the value of AB. If you draw this line AB here, or if we take a line, take this line 3.9, then you will find that here it will be 3.9, middle point will be B, and again it will be 3.9. That is total is 7.8 centimeter. This is the first method. You can use also the second method also. In the second method, what you can do? You can do in this way. In the second method, you can also do in this way, right? That is, you have to draw a line PQ. Here the hints is given. Draw PX such that the length of PX is length of AB, right? We are drawing again. This is our scale. We can rub this one also, this line. Right? Now we'll use the second method. In second method, what you have to do? Construct AB 3.9 centimeter. Let us take one line here. Take this point at 0, and this point at 3.9 centimeter. This is 3.9, right? Exactly 3.9 centimeter, right? Now if we change the color of line, that color of line will be yellow, and this is AB, right? Now this you can write as AB 3.9 centimeter. This is AB, this is AB, or you can name it as P also, P, and it is X, and the value of Px is same as that of AB. Px is 3.9 centimeter, 3.9 centimeter, and again we extend this value, this Px line again, that is again 3.9x, right? That means if we extend this line, right, that is from here, extend this line again to this is 0, again extend this line, again we take a line, right, take this line and put this line on 0 point, that is this one, and put this line on 3.9, that is 3.9 is this one, this is also 3.9, and we can change the color also, this line, right? This color, okay. Now if we Name this as Q, this is Q, and value of XQ is also 3.9 centimeter, 3.9 centimeter. Therefore, if we measure P and Q, it will come to 7.8 centimeter. That is 3.9 plus 3.9. Let us check by measurement, right? Let us check this one. What you are getting with the help of scale, you are checking what is the value of this one. It is 0. Yes, it is exactly here. It is 0. It is 7.8 centimeter, right? That means exactly 7.8 centimeter. Therefore, the value of PQ, here you see that value of PQ is equal to 7.8 centimeter, and PX, this is also line segment, this is also line segment, PX is equal to XQ line segment, and both are equal, that is equal to 3.9 centimeter, 3.9 centimeter, which is exactly equal to AB line segment, right? In this way, you can also solve this problem. That means in both the method, you can do the problem, right? That is, this is the second method, and previously I have discussed the first method. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.